What's up everyone, in today's video we are gonna dive deep into the Decryption kit, what it is, how it works and how you can use it to keep your credentials safe. Two-FAS pass security model is zero knowledge. This means that no one, including Two-FAS, has control over your credentials. The only one who can access them is you, with your master password. This also means that if you lose your master password, we won't be able to help you recover access to your vault. But don't worry, Two-FAS Pass has a built-in recovery method, the Decryption kit. The Decryption kit is a file that contains 15 secret words generated while setting up your vault and hashed master password in QR code. You can download your Decryption kit when you first launch the app, but you can also get it by going to Settings, Security and Decryption kit at the bottom. Here in the QR code you can optionally include your master password, or you can just write it on the Decryption kit with your pen. Click I understand and save to PDF. What you wanna do next is to print it and store it in a safe place. This document is for your eyes only. Don't show it to anyone and don't take pictures of it. Now let me show you how to actually use it and recover your vault. For this you will need two things, your vault file and the Decryption kit. If you wonder where to get the vault file from, you can either enable synchronization with cloud and keep the updated backup there, or export the file locally by going to Settings and Import Export. Now keep in mind that if you add any new credentials, they will not be included in your local backup. You will need to make a new one. Let's start the recovery. Click on Recover Synchronize and, as I said before, you will have three choices. You can import the vault file from your local storage, from iCloud or Google Drive, this depends on the OS you are using, or you can also choose WebDAV. I have the vault file downloaded, so I'm gonna go with that. Next you need to decrypt your vault. If you have the Decryption kit printed, you can just scan the QR code, you can input words manually or upload the PDF, which is what I'm gonna do. And that's it, all of your credentials are back. You might ask, why do I even need these 15 words? Isn't my master password enough? Well, this is a valid question. Let me explain. To put it simply, cryptography in Two-FAS Pass is based on dual entropy system. This basically means that we combine secret words and your password to generate a master key. This master key is then used to encrypt and decrypt your vault. If you wanna know more technical details of how Two-FAS Pass works, you can always check out our white paper, link in the description. Thanks for watching till the end. If you have any questions, make sure to join our Discord server, link in the description, you can ask them there or in the comment section under this video. Subscribe and see you in the next tutorials.